Wildlife or trail cameras automatically record wildlife in your garden. They're a great way to see what animals get up to when you're at work or asleep, an exciting way to teach kids about nature. Wildlife cameras work by passive infrared sensors that detect animals and either shoot still images or motion detection video. Before you choose, you should bear in mind what you'd like to see. Do you want a general overview of the garden to see how animals use it, or do you want to concentrate on a nest or a set? Once you know this, keep an eye out for your camera's focal length, which is how widely or narrowly the camera is focused, and its detection range, which is how widely the sensors are spaced to detect the animals. There's no set rules with this, and it depends on what you're trying to capture. A bigger field of view and detection range captures a larger area, but animals look smaller, so it can be hard to see detail. This is great for an overview of a lawn and will let you see foxes, birds and badgers coming and going. A smaller field of view and detection range captures less and better definition. Cameras like this are brilliant for focusing on one area, like a bird table or a rabbit warren. To get the clearest possible image, aim for a high number of megapixels or MP. 1080 by 720 will guarantee high definition. However, the higher the megapixels, the more space your photos and videos will take up on your SD card, which is where your images are stored. It's also a good idea to make sure your camera is compatible with your SD card, as some budget cameras can't handle more than 32 gigs. You should also consider how you'd like to see your photos and footage. Some cameras require you to take out the SD card and plug it into a laptop, while others come with a micro USB cable, so you can plug the whole camera into your laptop without having to fill with the SD card. Others plug straight into your TV, and you can also buy handy Wi-Fi enabled cameras which send footage straight to your phone or laptop. Keep an eye out for a good IP rating. An ingress protection or IP rating is a measure of weatherproofing. Whether you want to use your camera year-round or every so often, wildlife cameras need to work in all sorts of weather, so aim for an IP rating of 55 and above, so your camera is at least weather resistant. With all this in mind, consider how much you want to spend. Wildlife cameras tend to cost between £70 and £200. Whether it's a budget or a premium camera, each camera should have a few sensors, high definition, a microphone so you can hear animals, and good weatherproofing. At higher prices, your camera should also come with a screen and buttons to make viewing and setup easy, as well as a strap or a mount so it can be fixed to trees and fence posts. SD cards are usually sold separately, but some good value cameras include them in the cost. To save money, look out for deals throughout the year. You can often find money off wildlife cameras, especially on big online sales days like Black Friday.